We're not supposed to see.
I just want not that much light.
Do I need to turn on a light? Who is this? A person making?
I just.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
No light.
Oh my god! Look at how. Are you recording this?
I'm trying to get the cat.
Oh.
That's why I want to turn the light on. I just want to.
Oh, on the cheese it.
Yeah.
No, I got it perfect.
Hey, finger.
You want to eat some more squeeze cheese? Can you be any louder?
That's funny. Hey, Poppy.
This is a big tongue and long tongue on that one.
Oh no.
Let's get him closer.
Yeah.
Right now.
Hey,
Do it like that.
finger. Ready? You like the cheese, huh?
I'd say after 20 of those, we probably should stop because he might not be able to take a shit. It binds him up.
You want some?
Yeah, it's her turn. It's.
Want some, Forrest? Huh?
And you can chew it,
Cheese eater.
See, look, Forrest. See? One more?
Yeah, that's about after 20 for her. She eats it a lot better than he does. She gets it all off.
All right.
Enough cheese for the keyboard.